y'all, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you guys all for tuning in. Today I have a video for you all, and this is something that I've never done before. What we're basically gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys my top, I would say, everyday lip options that I would always do, or if not, my top nudes, if that makes sense, because I only wear nudes, so I might just put them together. Top everyday lip slash nude that I'm obsessed with. So we're gonna start with the OG one. This is basically the one that I guess started the trend of what I finally discovered was my perfect nude, and that combination is COLOURPOP-CALYPSO, which is a very famous color, and of course MAC Spice lip liner. Now I don't just use Spice with this lipstick. Spice is universal for me. I even use it even for red lips, for purple lips, for pink lips. Like, this is like my universal color. This is the one that just works with everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what these two look like. First with Spice, so let's go. So this is basically Calypso and Spice together. And now Calypso is a pinky color. It's like a pinky nude, so that's why I appreciate it, but I'll wait till it dries. This is Calypso for you all. I'm trying to step away so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna put prices and everything, and we're gonna go on to the next combo. Okay, so our next two are Rimmel London's Exaggerate full color lip pencil in the shade Epic. There's like so much going on in this pencil. So okay, so it looks like this, and it's Rimmel London, and it's in the shade 45 Epic, and it's from the Exaggerate line. There's like different types of lines for the lip pencils. And then of course you guys have seen me rave about this Chloe Money from Kylie Cosmetics. When I tell you, when I first discovered this lipstick, I was shook, because first when I swatched it, I was like, this kind of looks too white on me. When I tell you I became obsessed with this lipstick, it's insane. Like, it was, I forgot about Calypso for a little bit. I was like, this is not gonna work out. I moved on. And then I was using Spice with this, which was completely fine, but when I tried it on with Exaggerate, you'll see Exaggerate's like a little bit darker, and it just kind of gave it a nice like just a nice shape to my lips. So you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right in before I start blabbing about it. Well, that's drying. This actually dries out really nice. Okay, so I love Chloe Money so much that I bought it last year, and then there was like another sale on Kylie for New Year's, and I had to get another one. Like, I literally have two. I literally have two, y'all, because I love it. That's how much I love it. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna get a third one, and I have so many nudes, but this is just one that I just feel like, God forbid Kylie stops making them, at least I have a backup. And they last a while because I always see interchange with other ones, and I don't really use it as much, but still though. It's like pinky. As you can see, I'm kind of attracted to pink nudes. But we're gonna start moving on to like the warmer tone soon. But this is Chloe Money on me. It just, I don't know, it just gives you that plump lip. And honestly, I would honestly just stay this way. And yeah, but I obviously have to show you guys the rest. So yeah. All right, so for the next combo, we're gonna go ahead, and it's actually, the last two combos are actually really new for me, but when I tell you it was love at first sight, it was love at first sight. It's the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit Lip Contour Kit in the shade Noble. When I tell you I am obsessed, there's some bad reviews on it because of the dryness, which is completely understandable, but I exfoliate my lips once a week, so I didn't really experience it. So I guess you just have to, it's just one of those things where like, if you really want it to work, you're gonna have to work with it. But when I tell you the shade is just awesome, it's fucking amazing. So it comes with the lip pencil and it comes with a lipstick. So we're just gonna go ahead and start swatching. Then we're gonna let it dry because it dries out literally a whole different color. Yeah, this is one that, like I said, I had to rebuy because, dude, it's just, I had to. And it just looks so nice. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but when I tell you, it just looks so nice, y'all. It just looks so nice. And it lasts a long time too. Like, this is one where I can eat, drink coffee, have a long day, and I still come back to my room and I'm like, oh, you look good. Like, oh wow, like this is really nice. So yeah, they might look similar. That's also another habit that I have. I know I have a specific shade at home and somehow I still buy it. Like, I recently just got Candy K and I know I have Clo Money and Calypso and I feel like they were just similar to either one of those two, but I still got it. This is just my perfect one. I would literally stay with this one, but I have one last one to show you guys. So once I started wearing liquid lipsticks, I promised myself that I was not going to aim for actual stick lipsticks again because I feel like liquid lipsticks just gave you a specific coverage that like lipstick couldn't do it. But when I swatched this one, I was like, I had to get it. I went out of my way to get it because it was actually sold out where I was actually gonna buy from, and I got it online and I love it. It's like this, I don't even know what to describe it. All I know that it just looks good with my skin tone and it looks great with the colors that I always wear. So that's what I think I might stay with this one. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I basically showed you my top 4 lip combos that I would basically use on every day, or like, if not like my nude lip, top 4 nude lip combo, whatever, I don't know. It's just the looks that I would honestly, the colors that I would honestly aim for that look good on me and that I feel just like, I don't know, just brings out my inner glam when I do my makeup. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. I will do another video similar to this with a lot more combos for you guys can see what are my favorites overall and what looks best I feel with my type of skin tone. And it's also helpful for those who are interested to see if they're aiming to get the type of color but they're scared that it might not look good with their skin tone, but I got you. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and see you guys in my next video. Bye.